how to save a picture as JPG on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Gallery app. After click on Gallery app, select picture and click on this edit icon. After click on this edit icon, click on this three dot icon. After click on this three dot icon, here showing you save as JPG. If you want to save picture as JPG, so click on save as JPG. After after click on save as JPG, you will see a picture is save as JPG. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can save a picture as JPG on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.